Hello, this is Caleb, your host, and today I'm going to show you a cool little game I made using Microsoft Visual Studio known as Mosaic. You have a little dude named Bill that you can control using the arrow keys. He runs around this little world and does stuff. Pretty simple. This is Mosaic 0.5. It's a preview edition, which means that it doesn't have all of the features that the regular game will have, like animals and cool underground stuff. This is just very basic, cutting down trees and making stuff with the wood. So, let's go ahead and cut down a couple of trees. That was way too loud, sorry. Okay. Sometimes my guy is rendered with only one eye, for some reason, but just refresh the screen and that goes away. Okay, now press E to open your inventory window. This shows how much of everything you have. We cut down 4 trees, so we have 20 wood. When you click on one of the items that are highlighted in green, it can become your active item and you can place it or use it. Items in black are simply materials, you can't actually place them. Now, anyway, to place a tree, you press P. Bam. Easy as pie. Bam. Okay. Now, we still have 20 wood. And it says here, you can craft a workbench out of 10 wood. So you press W to do that. Bam. Then we'll make a workbench. Hit E to go back to the main screen. P. Voila, a workbench. Now to open a workbench or a chest, you press R. Now, here we have the workbench window. Here are all the different things you can make. You can make a workbench with a workbench, you can make an axe, you can make a chest, you can make a tree tap, you can make an inner tube, and you can go back to the main screen. So I think I'm going to make an axe. Then I'll go to my inventory, make axe my active item. And when I am using an axe, chopping down trees does not take nearly as long. Just cut down a couple more there, and then I think I'll be ready to craft some more stuff. So, back to the workbench. Okay, now I have 42 wood, so I'm going to start by building a chest and building a tree tap. Now a tree tap is a really cool little thing you can have where when you go up to a tree and chop it down, instead of getting 5 wood, you get 2 rubber. And then when you have 6 rubber, you can make an inner tube. Oh, dang. Okay, I have enough rubber to make an inner tube, so I'll go do that. R, then inner tube, back, make inner tube my active item, and when you have an inner tube, you move really slowly on land, but watch what happens when you get to water. Zingo! Whee! Pretty cool. Now, the final thing I want to show you is the chest. Place it and open it like a workbench, and then the interface is pretty simple. You just click these different buttons to add and remove things from the chest. So let's put all our stuff into the chest. Okay. Now, one little hotkey I programmed in is when you hit F3, the map completely regenerates. So if you don't like how your world turned out, you can make a new one. Now, when you do that, all your items get removed from your inventory, along with everything you've placed. The world is completely new and fresh. At this point, you can't save games, but you don't really need to, as there isn't much to do. So hopefully I'll be coming out with a more full edition of this game soon. And until then, ciao.